Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Jimny vlog series. So today I am with my Suzuki Jimny and we are going to talk about an audio upgrade. So I have called in for a plug and play audio upgrade kit for my Suzuki Jimny. Yes, so we are all aware that the audio system in the Maruti Suzuki Jimny is just about average, and this is something which I always wanted to upgrade, but at the same time I did not want to lose OEM feel of the Suzuki Jimny. And for that, I have called in and selected Pioneer as a brand for this upgrade. So this kit comprises of the component speakers at front, and in this box we do have tweeters. For the tweeters, we have a very nice bracket which has been designed by Pioneer, and this really gives a very OEM type look for the A-pillar where the tweeters will go in. So without wasting any time, let's go and get this sound upgrade kit installed. So we are at Motor Sounds right now, which is going to help us with the install of the Pioneer sound upgrade kit. Our car is standing there. The work has started. So I want to quickly show you the door. So now the panel is off. A lot of guys would say, get the damping done, get the damping done. I also wanted to get the damping done. But when I saw the door and I saw how the originality is there, how this has been fixated by the Suzuki guys so that water doesn't seep in. So I really could not convince myself to open this up and put a damping. So we're going to skip the damping, but we are just going to damp only this area, which is the speaker area, so that the speakers don't vibrate when the volume goes up. Finally, the installation has been completed, and let's talk about the aesthetics. I love how the tweeters have integrated into the interiors of my Jimny, and this gives a clear OEM plus look, which is absolutely fantastic. And the way it has been designed, it is again definite an aesthetic upgrade also for the interiors without actually looking like a forced modification. So that is a clear win. Point number 2 is the sound quality. The sound clearly sounds more premium. Premium is the right word over the OEM speakers, and that is a definite improvement which I can vouch for. And this is just after hearing a couple of songs, I can definitely feel so. So that is another improvement which is for sure. Point number 3 I would like to point out is again to the tweeters. So the tweeters have increased the shrill and the clarity as well as the treble factor of this system. So the tweeters are also like, now it's a proper 6 speaker upgrade for the Jimny. That is also very clear. Now the disappointing bit is that the bass, even if the bass has been set as per the highest level, seems similar. But to be honest, we are forgetting one important bit, and that is what was explained to be my Motor Sounds also. The speakers also require a break-in time, and that is for sure a point which we should not miss. So I have been told, like, over the span of another 20 to 30 hours of listening time, the speakers will be probably broken in, and the sound quality, the bass, everything will improve another 10 to 12% at least. And on that note, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video of the Jimny Vlogs series.